Scottish Highlands are a place where weather is landscape. The mist that rolls down Glencoe and lies in the valley bottom, the low clouds that flatten the light over Rannoch Moor, the sudden clarity when the wind shifts and the mountains appear with an improbable sharpness, all of this is not inconvenience, but character. The Highlands in all weathers are the Highlands. The sun is the bonus. Glencoe is the emotional centre, a valley that opens dramatically from the main road west. Steep mountain walls on both sides, the valley floor wide and boggy and dotted with the ruins of former settlements. The Pap of Glencoe, visible to the north. The Glencoe massacre of 1692, 38 members of the MacDonald clan killed by government troops during a pre-dawn raid, lends the place a historical weight that the landscape absorbs without difficulty. The mountains here are among the most challenging and rewarding walking terrain in Britain. The Isle of Skye, connected to the mainland by a bridge since 1995, contains some of the most dramatic landforms in Scotland. The Quiraing, a landscape of landslipped pinnacles and tables of rock on the Torridon Ridge. The Fairy Pools, a series of clear mountain pools and waterfalls below the Cuillin Mountains. And the Cuillin Ridge itself, a gabbro horseshoe of peaks that is the most technical mountain terrain in Britain, requiring rope and ice axe in winter and challenging walkers throughout the year. Eilean Donan Castle, on a small tidal island at the meeting of three sea lochs near Dorney, is the most photographed castle in Scotland. Rebuilt in the early 20th century from a ruin, it now appears on a significant percentage of Scottish shortbread tins and is genuinely striking in reality. The North Coast 500, a driving route around the northern tip of Scotland, passes through landscapes that feel genuinely remote. Torridon, with its ancient red sandstone mountains. Sutherland, where the stacks of Handa Island and the beaches of Ness are separated by moorland that sees few visitors, and the far north coast, where the road drops to sea level beside beaches of white sand, backed by machair, the flower-rich coastal grassland unique to the Atlantic fringe of Scotland and Ireland. Scottish food has improved dramatically in recent decades. The larder is exceptional: Highland beef, wild venison, fresh salmon from the rivers, langoustines from the sea lochs, oysters from the cold coastal waters. Whiskey, distilled in distilleries across the Highlands and Islands, is the other essential, and the distillery tours of Speyside and Islay offer a different kind of landscape understanding.